Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be making fat cakes, fufu, magwinya, you name it. Please like, subscribe. This fat cake right here is so easy to break, so soft and so yummy. I will be using this Gold Star instant yeast, and I'll be using this salt. I'll be using brown sugar, but you can also use the white sugar. Then I'm gonna go for this cake with flour, sunflower flake brand. Now let me start measuring. So in here I'm gonna use, I am going to use 3 cups of flour. So this is 1. I'm going to create a hole in there. Then I'm going to add in sugar, 1/2 cup of sugar. I'm going to add in yeast, 1 full spoon of yeast, and I'm going to add in 1/2 spoon of salt. Then I'm going to mix everything in there together. Mix everything. Then I'm going to go in with my water. I'm going to use warm water. I believe now it's fine. So I'm going to add in my water. Just going to go slowly, add like that while rubbing in the bread. Continue adding like that. Gonna add it, bread like that. Gonna add in water again. Rubbing like that. I'm gonna add it again. I'm gonna add it one last time, maybe. While I have finished making this dough, I'm going to leave it in the sun so that it dries, and I'll start cooking. I'm gonna add in some oil so that I can start frying. That's all. I'm gonna let it get warm. I'm going to add in some oil here so that I can start frying. This oil, I'm going to leave it to get hot. Now I'm going to start making some bread to be fried in here. Now, as you can see, my dough is so ready. It's so ready. I am going to smear in some oil in my hand so that it doesn't become sticky. This amount of oil, just going to smear it so that bread doesn't stick on me. Then I'm going to just cut like that. And I'm going to add in just a few. I'm going to sprinkle bread in there like that. Then I'm going to start doing like that. Dump it like that in there. Then I'm gonna just do it like that. Like this. it's like this. I'm going to add it in a pot. Then I'll be starting to make my fed cakes. See, it's ready. I'm gonna toss. Now this is how the bread looks like. Look at that. So yummy. Beautiful.